This is a weekly I Ching reading for you on how to unlock your daily wisdom for success with I Ching. My forecast for the soon to begin year of the Wood Snake 2025, week 2. So what I share here is what the energies of the year, the month, and then every single day of the week may bring. What is the energy that is given and what can we best make of it? How to use the energies that are present for our success, our well-being, our personal path. So let's see how we best raise our energies in week 2 according to the I Ching. Okay? So the year is still, and I think you've heard me already rambling enough about that, 38, integrity or opposition, polarizing, division, fire and lake. So and it's about how to tolerate the otherness of the counterpart in conflicting times and stay true to oneself. Staying true to oneself. That's what I like to call it, integrity. If there needs to be a solution to be made, always choose the one which is in line with your integrity. In the long game, this will be of benefit, even if a white lie seems to be the shortcut and a short way around things. In the long run, it is actually not. So it is about integrity, staying true to yourself, and focus to be prepared of what's coming. This is for another less than a month until it changes. Wow. Okay. This month we're having number 17, following Lake on Thunder. It's about how to develop one's own progress through adapting to the existing circumstances. This is what the following is about. It's about adapting, adjusting to what is. All the ifs and whens don't help your progress. And if you're really at the end of your wits, then always ask yourself the question, how can I serve? Remember last month, 27 nourish was the question, what does nourish me? What do I want to keep? What to let go? So this is now this month, how can I serve? Because through serving, this is how you will attract a following. In case you want one. So this is this month's energy, really about adapting, adjusting, and also how can I serve? What can I do about it? So let's have a look into these the energies of each and every day, shall we? Well, so today, Sunday, the 12th, January 12th, we're having 14 great reward. And if you watched last week, this is really a nice thing to have, and I'm really enjoying it. Because we've done a lot of stuff last week, didn't we? And today, 14 great reward, fire in heaven. It's how to deal with success when your own possibilities start to blossom. Because last week we already started introducing some things, making some decisions and so on. So now your possibilities start to blossom and you getting the great reward. But of course there's a but. Awareness is king. Inner focus and success, because the great reward is about harvesting. So make sure you harvest the right things. Awareness brings success, as always. I mean, awareness always brings success. And also, the interesting thing, if you're aware, you will enjoy the success even more. Isn't that true? Let's have a look at how to raise our energies on Monday, the 13th of January. We're having 57 wind, which is a double sign, wind on top of wind. It's also called the gentle and subtle influence. So this is about really how an empathic approach and consistent perseverance help you to reach your goal, maybe slowly, but surely. So slow and steady wins the race. This is where it is. This is what it really brings you to your goal and the progress and everything. Let it be gentle, the success and the great reward. And so this Monday is really about being empathic, consistent. And it's an initiate day. It's an excellent day, actually, with really good hours. So make use of that. But let it be gentle. Everything you do, be gentle with yourself, be gentle with others. And then the success is there. That's just how it goes. Wonderful. Let's see how can we produce some more success on the Tuesday, the 14th of January. On the Tuesday, we're having something that is usually called 47 trap, but it also means exhaustion. Because when you're in the trap, you will get exhausted. So it's lake on water. So the lake is kind of exhausting itself into the water, through the water. So it's about how to sacrifice your own demands and pace yourself to navigate a possible crisis or a problem or an obstacle or anything. So it's about pacing yourself on the Tuesday. I mean, you've already done a lot and you've achieved a lot. You're enjoying your success. So on the Tuesday, it's about really your inner strength and how to household with your power, with your energies, your energy household, to not go into an exhaustion. And you know what I've said to you in a few sessions in the past, really make sure if you want to fight for something that it's worth the fight. And if you watch my BaZi videos, so the wood snake year 2025 is also about realizing what actually is your problem and what isn't, and not to buy into all of that. Doesn't mean you shouldn't help someone, but it also means to realize and being aware. Here we are again, awareness. Is it really your problem or is it someone else's? Don't make it your own. So because then on the Tuesday, definitely the exhaustion may be looming. But if you're clear about your energies and about your energy household, what's looming on the next day, on the Wednesday, the January 15th. Oh, one more thing about the Tuesday, by the way. I nearly forgot it. The Tuesday is, because it's an excellent day, but it's a distraction day, is a lot about letting go. So you can get rid of the possible exhaustion if you're letting go, if you're finding out what to let go and what to keep. And there are really good hours between 1 and 7. 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. So use use the energy of the day to not go into exhaustion by let go what's not serving you, by finding out, is it really my problem or not? Do I need to exhaust myself for that? And then we're coming on the Wednesday to 64, not yet completed, not yet accomplished, not yet completed, incomplete. How to stay on course and target so shortly before the finish line and not get distracted. Yes, so see 64 and the day like a sunrise. Stay focused. It's the start of the day. It's just the beginning. This week is a lot about beginning, letting go and beginning. Stay on course. Maybe some foundational work on the Wednesday. And the question is, are you ready yet for the finishing? It's not yet finished, but stay on course. There's no reason to quit. It's still early in the days. And maybe you need some foundational work to do to really be ready to accomplish. How does it sound? Yeah, that's good. And by the way, the hours from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m., if you're in the evening and you still don't know what your groundwork is supposed to be, you still don't know how to accomplish something, maybe you should ask for help. That would be something you should consider on that day. Thursday, the 16th of January, which is a success day, by the way, and it's an excellent day. And we're having 33 retreat. So once you find out what it is you want to let go and what it is you want to keep, this day is about how to avoid unnecessary confrontations to regenerate your own creative strength. So it's a similar topic, isn't it? Heaven on mountain. It's about, is it really my fight? Is it really my problem? Or do I let go? So I think this week is a lot about awareness and realizing, when do I need to be involved to accomplish something, to reach my goal, to get into the progress? And when do I need to let go and just not go into that one? And if there is a conflict anywhere, so there's no conflict this week as it seems, but if something is coming up, stay in the awareness. Is it really my problem? Is it really my fight? How can I contribute? Think about the whole month. How can I serve? So in this case, also, how can I contribute to my own well-being and success, and maybe even by withdrawing to win the war. Withdrawing from the possible battle to then win the war. Sun Tzu. Yes. Anything else about the Thursday? No. Good hours. A good day. Really an excellent day, the Thursday. If you stay aware. Yes, that's the word. Oh my gosh. On the Friday then, 52 mountain, which is similar to retreat, but not. It's mountain on mountain. It's double sign. It's about keeping still. So it's how retreating from any activity enables you to stay connected with your core essence and your true self. So again, this whole week seems to be about true self, awareness, enjoying the wins, but staying with yourself, with integrity, and realizing what is my part in this. And then if you do that, we're coming, and that is amazing, on the Saturday, the 18th of January, 16 delight, also called enthusiasm, thunder on earth. So we're having some movement, but how the power of joy radiates out to the environment, and hence everything succeeds without targeted intention. So without targeted intention means you've done the groundwork, you've looked inside, you are aligned, the awareness is there, and then on the Saturday it comes all by itself, the bigger picture, the shift. Success is easy and joy is powerful. Those are the days, those are the words that I would use for that day, for that Saturday, delight 16. Really, really use that. And I like the day after, Sunday, which is the 19th of January. We have 3 beginning, which is also difficulty in the beginning. So what I would like you to consider, to really enjoy that delight and that enthusiasm of the Saturday, and take this bigger picture, the shift that you realized on the Saturday, into the Sunday, where you seem to start something new. There is a new beginning. Something is starting. Maybe it's already starting on the Saturday because you're enthusiastic. So then on a Sunday, maybe there are some challenges and obstacles coming up, because every time at the beginning of a new process, there may be some challenges, something that's unexpected. That is what new beginnings are all about. So have a look and take that enthusiasm of the Saturday into the Sunday. Maybe start already planning on the Saturday with the delight and the enthusiasm, the new beginning for the Sunday. What is it that you can do on the Sunday to begin new? Maybe in your relationship, maybe in your house, your home, maybe in your work surrounding. What is it where there's a new beginning possible? Yes. And especially start that on the Saturday, because the Saturday is a very auspicious and an open day. So you could do that, start that on the Saturday already. And then if there are some obstacles coming up on the Sunday, you take that delight and then enthusiasm with you until the Sunday. How does that sound? So I think this is going to be an interesting week again, but full of awareness. If you stay with the awareness, if you stay with your inner core, if you take that motto of the whole month, the 17 following, how can I serve? And whenever you need to be involved, make sure that you stay aligned with your integrity. And if you feel it's not aligned with your integrity, just withdraw. We've got retreat in the week. We've got the mountain in the week. You are allowed to withdraw. Not yet accomplished. You know it's not yet finished. Withdrawing, retreating. If this is not your fight, if that is not your problem, you do not need to be involved. Full stop. That's just what it is. So I hope you will have an amazing, amazing week. Let me know if you like what you've seen and heard. Just tell your friends, like, comment. Let me know what you think and what your experiences are in this. Or maybe you have a different interpretation. I would love to hear that as well. You know, it's always the communication, the discussion about these things brings stuff up and makes the movement and makes the progress even easier. I like that. Have a fabulous week. And I see you again next week. Bye for now.